chapter 1 index number. Suppose any two item is given, A and B, and 2 year related information, year 2016 and 2008. Item A, year 2016, price is 24 rupees and 2018 price is 30 rupees. And item B, 2016, price is 40 rupees and 2018 46. Your text is same data related to it and right. Okay. First, absolute difference method. In 2016, item A price is 24 rupees and 2018 30 rupees. It means 6 rupees increase by item A plus 6 by item A. And item B, 2016, price is 40 rupees and 2018 price is 46. So item is also increased, mean both the item price is same increase by 6. General interpretation, item A and B, both the item price is 6, same item price. But in ratio method it is not possible same item. Why? So here 2016 means base year price both the item is different. Item A 2016 price is 24 and item B 2016 price is 40. So next find out price relative. Price relative 2018 divided by 2016 price, 30 divided by 24 and 46 divided by 40. So using as a 30 divided by 24 is 1.25 and 46 divided by 40 1.15. So here clearly indicate that item A is more increased price compared to item B. And percentage is always so by 100. So price relative, percentage price relative. Price relative. It will multiply by 100. 1.25 into 100, 125, and 1.15 multiplied by 100, 150. So item A increased by 25% compared to year 2016, and item B 15% increased by compared to year 2016. So item A more price increase compared to item B. Item A and B addition 240 and 240 divided by 2 item, 240 by 2, answer 120. It is known as average index number. Index number and average index number, both definitions are different. Okay, check in your textbook, first page. Price of an item, national income, supply, production, employment, unemployment, investment, import, export, cost of living, population of country, birth rate and death rate. Vary continuously with time. Time promise time of changes, time increase or decrease. Generally, the proposal is ratio and direction of this variation also keeps changing. Same direction एमा भी changes है. Suppose any 1 or 2 year increase, next decrease, increase, decrease chart. बराबर है increase decrease का chart may be possible. Not continue the same direction increase or same direction decrease. Continue increase side, the continue decrease side. It be possible नहीं. पर direction भी इसका change. Next, it is important to study the variation in the price and quantity of an item with respect to change in time. Price and quantity both are change respect to time. Time प्रमाणे एमा भी changes है. Time बराबर changes है प्रमाणे सुझे. The price and item both are change. The planning for the future can be suitably done from the knowledge of these changes. The changes નો knowledge તમને હોય તો price future માં શું રહેશે તો stable શું રહેશે એ તમે decide કરી શકો હવે એટલે એનું knowledge હોવું જોઈએ price changes નો knowledge તમારી પાસે હોય કેટલું increase થશે or decrease થશે તો શું થશે suitable price future માટે planning કરી શકો underline the changes taken place in the value of the variable at two different time periods can be measured by following method. Okay? Changes taken place in the value of the variable at two different time periods. So mainly two methods is done. First, method of absolute. It means difference method. Okay, 30 minus 24, 46 minus 14. Means difference method answer is same price increase by both the items A and B. And second, method of relative measure. It means ratio method. Suppose the regarding the average price per kilogram of two items is given wheat and rice for month in the year 2015 and in the year 2016 are as follows. Okay, same data is given wheat and rice 2015-16. So first method of absolute measure difference. The price of wheat in the year 2015 24 is increased to rupees 30 in the year 2016. Thus, the price per kilogram increase in the year 2016 by rupees 6 with respect to the year 2016. Our data year on my textbook 15 and 16. Similarly, the price of rice has also increased by rupees 6 and same to same another item. Okay, rice is also same increase by rupees 6. Difference equal. This is obtained by the absolute measure. Okay, it is called absolute difference or absolute measure of differences or absolute measure. Thus, it can be said that there is the same rise in price in both the items. Generally, both items also the same increase in price. Item wheat and rice both increase by 6 rupees. But this is not true in reality because the price per unit of this item are not same in the year 2015. But reality must be it is not true. Okay? The price in year 2015 of both the items are cheap. Thus the base for the comparative study of price in year 2016 is different. Hence this method is not appropriate to compare the variation in a variable. Underline words. This method is not appropriate to compare the variation in variables. Variable and variation compare કરવા માટે first method useful નથી એનો meaning શું થશે second method relative method. Okay, means ratio method is useful. We shall now study the method of relative measure which is used in a such situation. આ situation આ condition આ problem જે create થાય છે કઈ method use થશે second relative method, another name is ratio. Second method of relative measure. A ratio price of commodity in the year 2016 is obtained with the price in the year 2015 in this method to find the relative changes of price of the item in year 2016. Both the item relative is price relative find out 2016 divided by 2015 price 30 by 24 and 46 by 40. Answer is 1.25 and 1.15. It can be known from this ratio that the relative increase in the price of wheat and rice in the year 2016 is not same. When you price relative find both items our increase not the same, different 1.25 and 1.15 ratio. The price of wheat in the year 2016 is 1.25 times the price in the year 2015, whereas the price of rice is 1.15 times its price in the year 2015. So rice and wheat, both are different, same answer is there. Wheat increased by 1.25 times and rice increased by 1.15 times. Thus it can be said that change in the price of wheat is more than the change in the price of rice. હવે ત્યાં આપણને rice ની comparison માં wheat શું છે increase by more. Next paragraph. The ratio price of wheat and rice given here indicate the changes in the price of two different time periods. It is called relative changes or price relative. हम कौन एक words box बनावी तो नहीं place पर का words हमारे use करवाने जो कला the ratio of price of wheat and rice છે ને એને box બનાવી wheat and rice હવે હું જે રીતે sentence learn કરું ત્યાં એ words add કરી બરાબર the ratio of price of two items indicate the changes in the price at two different time periods. It is called relative changes or price relative. Name નથી write કરવાના. So write a wheat and rice in place for two item indicate the change in the price at the different time period. It is called price relative or price changes. Definition. Generally, the ratio are expressed to percentage to facility comparison. Comparison માટે generally ratio ને સામા compare કરાય percentage means multiply by 100. Price relative હતો એની place પર શું થઈ જાય percentage price relative બરાબર છે multiply by 100 so 125 and 115 હવે easily comparison થાય કે 25% increase 15% increase compared to the year 2016 and year 2015. Okay, next definition underline define index number. The percentage change in the value of variable associated with any item for the given means current period compared to its value in a fixed means base period is called an index number. So for the year 2016 and 2018, 2 years is given. So 2018 is the current period and 2016 is the base. This current period comparison for base year. Percentage relative changes. Compare current year compared to the base year. It is called index number. Underline the percentage change in the value of variable associated with any item given period compared to the fixed, it means base period, it is called an index number. Next table given is આપણે write કરી દેવા price relative or relative changes and percentage price relative. એની પછી જે average find કરીએ એ important છે 240 divided by 2 so it is called 120 it is called an average index number. Index number and average index number both are different definitions. Next page for given this next side. Underline definition. Single words change the average. As to find the two items 240 divided by 2 means average find out. Because words definition must change the first. The average of the percentage change in the value of variable associated with one or more items for given period compared to the fixed period. It is called an average index number. The average of the percentage change in the value of variable one or more item. One or more item. More than one item. Single item is not given. General index number find the more than two items. Minimum. One or more item given period compared to the base means fixed period. It is called a general index number. Okay. Next topic. Characteristics of index number. Formula between given there. Number of items is given sigma p1 by p0 divided by n into 100. N item related. First, index number is free from the unit as it is a relative. Underline free from unit and relative measure. The second chapter of is the linear correlation. It is the same to same. Here index number of क्या है answer में kg, liter, meter, ton, quintal. कोई interpretation measurement is not used. Free from unit. Answer में क्या है कोई unit right. Second, the changes in the value of the variable having different unit. Different unit means any one item. Suppose weight. Weight considered in kg denominator, and height in centimeter, means different measure. Okay, different measure can be compared using index number. Different measures से जब ज़्यादा index number ना सुझे useful है index number find out. Hence, index number is comparative measure. Underline comparative measure. Change in the value of variable having different measure can be used in index number. Hence, it is comparative measure. Third point. Index number is relative measure showing percentage changes. Relative measure है but super है showing percentage. Underline relative measure showing percentage change. Measure showing percentage change. Number 4. Index number is a spatial average. Underline spatial average. It has all the characteristics of an average. Underline all the characteristics of average. The average is our study relevant standard mean, median, mode, animal averages. But then a characteristic involved in index. Then is spatial average. And last, the situation of two different periods can be compared by ratio with the standard. Standard means base year. Base period using an index number. Underline two different periods compared by ratio. This standard period. कोई भी different periods given हो so the base year is the base period. Standard base period so compared to index number. First point, free from unit. Relative measure. Second, comparative measure. Changes in the two different variables in different measure can be used in index number. Third, percentage showing relative percentage showing percentage. Number 4, spatial average, all the characteristics involving averages. And fourth, and in two different time periods situation given compared to the measure in index. A total 5 characteristics. Next, uses of index. Long question क्या important है त्या मध्ये main points मध्ये इक्वल तो second point है formula and box बनाएगा rate of inflation. Wholesale price index number of current year plus wholesale price index number of base year or preceding year. Okay, preceding year what is it? Divide by wholesale price index number of preceding year multiply by 100. ये useful है पूछा से rate of inflation तो wholesale price index number is useful. Next, cost of living index number underline. Second line, this index number helps to determine purchasing power of money, salary to employee, year means allowance, bonus, to calculate real wage and to devise tax policy by government. Generally, salary to employee cost of living index number are used. So, cost of living index number. Number 4, index number of human development. Underline. This index number is useful to determine the state of human resource, standard of living, life expectancy, and the level of education. And its use. Information about human research development. Human related equity index number is useful. The human numbers. Index number of human development. Next page. Index number of raw material 11. Last paragraph, second paragraph. Underline. Short question में कह रहे हैं आवाज़ इतना कर दें. The index number is called a barometer of economy of country, state, and interpreting. As barometer is used to predict weather, air pressure, cyclone, and rain, the index number is necessary tool for the measurement of comparative study of change in the economy, business, and social activity. Underline words. Our compulsory always. Comparative study of change in the economy, business, and social activities of the country. Hence, an index number is called the barometer of economy of country. Barometer of economy of country. Next point, base year. 2016 and 2018. 2018 is the current year and 2016 is the fixed base year. Generally, no ख्याल होता है ये digit B कोई नहीं, but they always current years. क्वेश्चन में इंडिकेट कहीं ना करेगी and 2018 and 2020. 2020 as a current year and 2018 as a base year. It means a small year we consider by base year means 0 and big year is considered by 1. Base year always considered by 0 and current year is considered by 1. Base year index number is always 100. Short question MCQ marks. Base year index number is always 100. Okay. So first of all, base year. Underline definition. In the construction of index number, the value variable for the current period, suppose 2018, is compared with the value of variable with the fixed period, which is 2016. This fixed period is or year is called a base year. Year of a fixed year, period it is called a base year. Repeat the construction of index number. The value of variable for the current period is 2018 compared to the year base year or fixed period 2016. Base year or period it is called a base year. The fixed year from the past can be the preceding year or any year before that. Base year कोई हो सके preceding year past और बराबर any year बराबर 2018 ની પહેલા કોઈ भी year હોય 2017 or 2016 2011 2012 past को हो सके और preceding any year is called a base year. The period or year for which the value is to be compared with the base period or year it is called a current year or current period. Definition underline second. The period or year for which the value is to be compared with the base period or year is called the current period or year. The years of the comparison करके year it is called a current year. For example, given the same data 2 years given the related information. If the price of an item in the year 2016 is to be compared with the price of the same time period in the year 2015. 16 and 15 two time period related information is given. The year 2015 is called the base year and 2016 as the current. Next, second paragraph. The year selected as a base year should be standard or normal. Underline. MCQ short question. Base year. Base year is standard or normal year. Normal year means it is not a natural calamity or abnormal man-made events. कोई भी नेचुरल कैलेमिटी man-made events बराबर ई ईयर्स में फाइल होती है. क्यों ईयर आपने शुरू करना है स्टैंडर्ड नॉर्मल ईयर सिलेक्टेड बाय बेस ईयर. ओके. लास्ट पैराग्राफ. The base year can be selected in two ways: chain based index number and fixed based index. Mainly two method: chain based index number and fixed based index. Okay, write in your class one list of formula. Number one, first one, price relative. Price relative. Value variable in current year. Value of the place for the price of current year divided by price of base year. Indicate by P1 by P0. Not a percentage price. Percentage was add multiply by 100. Number 2, second formula. And price is considered by P, current year 1 and P year 0. So P1 by P0. Second, quantity relative. Quantity of current year divided by quantity of base year. Quantity or consumption is considered by Q and current year is 1. Q1 divided by Q0. Q1 by Q0. Next, number 3 heading right now. Item of N. Item of N. Relative change in price. Item of N. Relative change in price. Or number of items relative change in price. Any number. Means here item is more than 2 and above. Okay. So write down formula. Index number I is equal to sigma in bracket P1 by P0 divided by number of items multiply by 100. P1 is price of current year, P0 price of base year, N means number of items. Next, number 4. Chain based index number. Is equal to value variable in current year divided by value variable in preceding year multiply by value variable in current year divided by value variable in preceding year multiply by 100. Next, number 5. Fixed base index number. Value variable in current year value variable divided by value variable in base year multiply by 100. Fixed base index number is equal to value variable in current year divided by value variable in base year multiply by 100. Next, reading right down. Fixed base index number convert to change base index number. Fixed base index number convert to change base index number next new line write down formula. Change base index number is equal to fixed base index number of current year divided by fixed base index number of preceding year into 100. FBIN convert to CBIN. So CBIN is equal to FBIN in current year divided by FBIN in preceding year into 100. Next, number 7. Write down meaning. Chain base index number. Chain base index number convert to fixed base index number. Chain base index number convert to fixed base index. Write down formula. Fixed base index number is equal to in bracket change base index number of current year into another bracket fixed base index number of preceding year divided by 100. CBIN to convert to FBIN. FBIN is equal to CBIN of current year into FBIN of preceding year divided by 100. Next, last year index number, last year index number, new line is indicated by IL, index number of last year in root sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0, sigma P1 Q0 into divided by sigma P0 Q0 multiplied by 100 IL, index number of last year. Sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into 100. Next, Passe index number. Passe index number. IP is equal to sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 into 100. Next, Fisher index number. Fisher index number. IF is equal to in root IL into IP. Or another formula, IF is equal to in root sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 out of 2 into 100. IF is equal to in root sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 into 100. Second formula in bracket name, write down ideal index number. In your question given the find or compute the ideal index number, they use in always second formula. In your question find the last parent Fisher index number, so using second formula. Passe and Fisher index number, so using second formula. All three index number find last year Passe and Fisher, so using first formula. So triangle की दाएं तो first formula use करना. Last year and Fisher की तो दूसरा पार्ट second formula. Passe and Fisher की तो second formula. Ideal index number की तो भी second formula. મને એવું સમજાવવાનો બેસા સર આન્સર આવી જાય. માર્ક્સ નહીં. તમારે મને એક્સપ્લેન કરી સમજાવવાની કોઈ જરૂર નથી એમાં. જે મેં કીધું રૂલ્સ યાદ રાખજો. ટ્રાયંગલ ફર્સ્ટ કીધો હોય લાસ્ટ પેર પાસે ફિશર તો જ આ ફોર્મ્યુલા લાસ્ટ પેર ને ફિશર કીધું લાસ્ટ પેર પાસે ફિશર કર્યો હશે એટલે 1 માર્ક્સ કાઢી ભલે આન્સર આવી જતો માર્ક્સ નહીં. ખાસ ધ્યાન રાખજો જે રૂલ્સ છે એ રૂલ્સ પ્રમાણે જવાનું. બરાબર 100 ક્વેશ્ચન તમે સોલ્વ કરો માં એક ક્વેશ્ચન એવો છે કે એમાં બોથ મેથડ ના આન્સર સેમ નહીં બાકી 99 માં આન્સર આવી જશે. જેમાં આન્સર નથી આવતો એ ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછ્યો હશે શું કરશો? आफ्टर पॉइंट જે સેકન્ડ ડિજિટ છે એમાં ચેન્જ આવશે. બરાબર છે आफ्टर पॉइंट સેકન્ડ ડિજિટ માં ચેન્જ આવશે. કોઈને 0.9 આપા 120.93 આવે તો કોઈને 120.92 આવશે કોઈને 94 આવશે. એટલો જ વેરિએશન આવશે પણ માર્ક્સ કટ થાય કે રૂલ્સ એપ્લાય બરાબર છે. મેથડ જે સેમ એપ્લાય નથી. ખાસ ધ્યાન રાખજો ઓલ થ્રી ઇન્ડેક્સ ઓફ ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ તો કમ્પલસરી ફર્સ્ટ. આઇડિયલ ઇન્ડેક્સ નંબર એટલે સેકન્ડ જ યુઝ થાય. यहाँ वाली लास्ट पेयर पास अभी सब पॉइंट है 0 मार्क्स टेबल ना मार्क्स पर बाकी नहीं. આ બધું કશું ધ્યાન રાખો. Next, after formula number 10, write down some important measure. Some important measure. 1000 gram means 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. Write down 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. Next, 1000 grams, some important measure. 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. Okay, next. 1 quintal means, yes, 1 quintal is equal to 100 kilogram. 1 ton, 1 ton, write down 1 ton is equal to 1000 kilogram. 1 dozen, तो तुमने आवड़તું છે. Write down 1 dozen is equal to 12 piece. Okay, 1 dozen is equal to 12 pieces. આ મેઇન ફોર મેઝરમેન્ટ છે, બરાબર છે. આ ક્યારે ઇન્ટરપ્રિટેશન નહીં, બટ ક્યાંય બોક્સ ટી એવો વર્ડ્સ given હોય તો આફ્ટર ક્વેશ્ચન એનું ઇન્ટરપ્રિટેશન હોવું જોઈએ. 1 ton 1 tin is equal to 20 kg or 10 kg.